Far out in the Atlantic lies a storm factory. It's a place we call the main development region. It's where Africa stirs up the atmosphere and the ocean, it shapes it into hurricanes. Last year, the water here was the hottest that we have ever recorded. That heat powered a supercharged season. We had 5 major hurricanes. This year, well, the water is slightly cooled, but it's still boiling by historical standards, 1.5 degrees Celsius above the normal in key zones, more than enough to fuel Troy. And while the ocean itself stays hot, there's no La Nina, there's no El Nino. It's a neutral zone, and that means wind shear is weakening, and storms, well, they could thrive in this region. You know, it's easy to forget until it hits home. One storm is all it takes. So don't focus on the numbers, focus on being ready. This storm factory is still running hot. Stay tuned and stay prepared.